welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a double process color. It'll be like a cinnamon spice, copper auburn color. These are the products I'll be using, and I'll also have everything listed in the description box. Here I have already mixed up my bleach and developer, so I'm just adding a little bit of the Olaplex oil for added protection. Before you start, you want to make sure that your client's hair is detangled properly and divided into 4 sections. I did add a small 5th section at the top where her hair was previously colored because we don't want to go over that again. We will be starting in the back, so I'm taking about a 1/4 inch of a section and I'm applying the bleach. I am not applying it directly to the root because, as you know, it tends to heat up towards the root. So I'm leaving about an inch, 1.5 inch section for that. Once we have everything at the ends covered, we'll go back to the roots. I also started off with 10 volume developer in the back because it will be on for quite a long time. So you do not want to start off with 30 volume or 20 volume in the back, because you want everything to catch up and kind of process at the same time. I will not be using foils also because she has virgin hair, so there's no need for the extra heat process because it's going to lift on its own. That Schwarzkopf bleach lifts 9 levels, so even me using a 10 volume is going to lift pretty light without having to put foils on it.
Active by night, keep going crazy.
These are the colors that I'll be using. I'm going to take the same section sizing as I did when I was applying the bleach, and you just want to make sure that you are saturating the hair as you're applying the color.
Active by night. Keep going crazy. Active by night. Keep going crazy.
I skipped the blow drying process just to save a little bit of time, and actually the straightening process too. So I'm just going to show you how I do these curls, but this is the color outcome. And you guys are probably wondering why I'm straightening her hair out first and then doing the curl. I've just been doing silk presses for so long. It's lasted a little bit longer when you straighten it out first and then go back and do the curl. I really like these Fabulous titanium flat irons. They get it super straight with one pass. And then the EAP flat irons are really good for the pretty curls.
Active by night. Keep going crazy. Active by night. Keep going crazy.
And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and follow me on Instagram at JadaWorksMiracles.